Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Design SK Studio, where design is meant for better life and happiness. Please subscribe, like, and share. Click the notification bell for the next educational design presentation videos. Thank you. Today, we will discuss 7 tips to transform your home into a cozy haven. First, I will mention 7 tips to make your home cozy. Then I will explain the psychology of home interior about the reasons why those tips are crucial in making your home cozy. Okay, let's get started. First, layer with textiles. Add blankets, throw pillows, and rugs to create warmth and comfort. Opt for soft, plush fabrics like wool, faux fur, or cotton. The psychology of these textiles to the home interior is that textiles like blankets, pillows, and rugs provide tactile comfort and warmth. Soft textures can evoke feelings of safety and relaxation. This sensory experience can trigger a sense of well-being and coziness. 2. Warm lighting. Use warm-toned lighting, such as string lights, candles, and soft lampshades to create a gentle and inviting ambiance. The psychology of this warm lighting to the home interior is that warm-toned lighting mimics natural light, which is known to improve mood and create a welcoming atmosphere. It can also reduce stress and help regulate circadian rhythms, contributing to better sleep and overall health. Three, incorporate natural elements. Bring in plants, wooden furniture, and natural fibers to add a touch of nature and a sense of tranquility to your space. The psychology of these natural elements to the home interior is that natural elements like plants and wooden furniture can reduce stress and improve mental health. Nature-inspired decor is known to enhance mood, productivity, and creativity. 4. Personal touches. Display personal items such as photos, art pieces, or souvenirs. These items add character and make your home feel uniquely yours. The psychology of these personal touches to the home interior is that displaying personal items creates a sense of belonging and identity. These items can evoke positive memories and emotions, making a space feel uniquely comforting and personalized. 5. Scent matters. Use scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or fresh flowers to fill your home with pleasant aromas that can uplift your mood and create a cozy atmosphere. The psychology of these scent matters to the home interior is that scents are powerful triggers for emotions and memories. Pleasant aromas can uplift mood, reduce anxiety, and create a sense of calm and relaxation. Different scents can also invoke different feelings, like lavender for calmness or citrus for energy. 6. Comfortable furniture. Invest in comfortable seating, such as a plush couch or an overstuffed armchair. Add soft throws and cushions for extra comfort. The psychology of this comfortable furniture to the home interior is that comfort is key to relaxation. A cozy armchair or a plush couch invites you to relax and unwind, reducing physical discomfort and promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. 7. Declutter and organize. A clean and organized space can make your home feel more peaceful and inviting. Use storage solutions to keep clutter out of sight. The psychology of declutter and organization to the home interior is that a clutter-free space reduces visual noise and can lower stress levels. Organized spaces promote a sense of control and calm, helping you feel more at ease in your environment. Adding these elements can turn any space into a cozy retreat. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Click the notification bell for the next educational design presentations. Thank you.